everyone, I am going to show you how to do a really easy top knot. To me, this is the easiest way you can do it, and it should take you like 2 minutes. When it was wet, I put a little bit of this Kenra root lifting spray on it. Love that stuff. I use it on my roots, I use it on my ends. I let it air dry, and then first I combed out my hair, and then I let it air dry. So now I just gathered it up into like a really high ponytail. It's really easy for me, and I would recommend it for you, to go upside down and gather your ponytail up to get it really, really high. Sometimes it's hard when you're doing it right side up, so I always flip over. So I'm going to take my Glamhairus Wondercomb, and I'm literally going to pull it straight up. We're going to make our hair kind of look like a troll doll. And you're just going to tease it down, 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 down. So it should pretty much stand up straight. I'll tease the back of it. I'll also tease the front of it. So just literally, you just want to get so much teasing so it looks like a crazy person. Sometimes I'll use my extension brush too, and I do this on my clients too. So sometimes I need to do it if the hair is like thicker or longer. My hair is really layered. It's not that thick and it's not that long. But so sometimes I'll use 2 different tools to get like the maximum fullness. So keep that in mind. Basically, your hair should kind of be standing straight up. My hair is a little bit clean today, so I'd recommend doing it on a little bit dirty hair. You just use a bunch of spray, kind of let it dry for a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is just take my hair and just twist it and wrap it around and kind of get it to the height and the thickness that I want it to. Because it's already teased so much, that really helps kind of help the hair get it where you want it. So what I'll do is I'll just kind of get it where I almost want it, or I think I want it, and then I'll use professional bobby pins and I will just secure it just to get it so I can let my hands go. And then I might mess around with a little bit more, get a little bit more height out of it, or get a little bit more fullness out of it. So I'm just kind of sticking pins in randomly. There's no really rhyme or reason, but professional bobby pins make a huge difference because they're really, really tight compared to like over-the-counter bobby pins. So just kind of stick them in everywhere until it feels good. If you have really layered hair, like I have pretty layered hair, so it might be a little bit more tricky. If your hair is like here, even like here and longer, this should not be an issue. And then, okay, so I got it. It's not real secure, but I want to just play around with a little bit more. I'm going to do a little more hairspray. I'm using the Kenra Platinum hairspray, which I love. And sometimes I'll like, get a little more height with the end of my Glamhairus Wondercomb. I'll kind of pick it up a little bit more. Or sometimes I let these pieces kind of kind of stick out if I want it a little messier. And you could pull pieces down here if you want. You could kind of loosen it up here. I have it kind of secure, but pretty much it. It is so darn easy.